Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk about place value and we're going to be counting with tens and one sticks. So this is really easy. Instead of having to count, all of the individual cubes, you know that if it's in a stick, you can count by tens. So on this worksheet, so you have to be really careful to know if the question is how many cubes there are or how many sticks of 10 there are. So on this one, we're just going to be counting the sticks of 10, and when we put the tens and ones together, that makes a number. So on the first one, count how many sticks of 10 there are. There's 3, good. And then count how many ones. There's 7. So if we were to count every little cube, we would come up with 37, but this is just a quicker way to count. Okay, let's look at the next one. How many sticks of 10? 5 sticks of 10. And then how many ones? We have 9. So the answer is there's 5 tens and 9 ones, which means there's 59. Okay, let's look at the next one. How many sticks of 10? 5. How many ones? 3. So what number is that? It's 53. Okay, let's keep going. How many sticks of 10? 4. How many ones? 6. So if I have 4 tens and 6 ones, the answer is 46. Good. Okay, next one. How many tens? 6 tens, 1 1. So that's 61. Okay, we're going to do one more together. How many sticks of 10? 1. How many ones? 7. So that number is 17. So I want you to pause the video now and finish the last 3 on your own. Push play when you're finished. Okay, so let's look at the last 3, and see if you got your answers right. If you didn't, then erase them and fix them so that they are right. There's 6 tens, 4 ones, so 64. 2 tens, 8 ones is 28. 3 tens, 5 ones is 35. So check those last 3, and if you made a mistake, fix it so that it's the correct answer. Let's look at the back. This is a lot like your rocket math. Today we're going to be practicing +4. So use your strategies. Like, we know that this is doubles, so you could find the doubles, and then you know that 6 and 4 are 10 friends. We know that 9 plus 4 is 13. It's just 1 less than what it would be if it was 10 plus 4. This one is in your doubles, so it's 7. Okay, so I want you to finish this side and then do what your teacher has asked you to do next.